Drones are toys for kids and adults. They all love to race or get all kinds of videos like for movies or YouTube. Vanessa Snell reports.
Look at this spectacular view of Totowa. It was shot with a drone. The flying machines have become very popular. Drones are on the birthday and holiday wish list of students here at Washington Park School. In fact, many students already own a drone and they love it.
I like my drone because it can do flips and it's really fast. I like that it has a return to home and a camera on it. I have a Sima X5C. It's not a popular brand, but it certainly is a good one.
Yes, because it's the spider drone and they fly really fast and they go really high.
While everybody wants to fly a drone, not everybody knows how to control what is essentially a flying computer with spinning blades.
Yeah, I'm pretty good at flying it because I always fly it around my house. I only fly it in my house. I don't usually fly it outside because it's not, I don't want like a bird to maybe eat it because it's so small.
I fly above my house because then I don't have to worry about trees and that hitting me, and then I can also do flips up there.
I usually fly it above past my house a bit.
The competition is fierce. Among the top-selling brands are DJI, Parrot, and Unique. Prices range from about $300 to over $3,000. Most people fly their drone outside. Now, however, indoor flying is also becoming popular.
Drones are flying smarter, smaller, and faster. For example, the DJI Mavic Air has an indoor flying option using Wi-Fi, and the new palm-sized Tello from DJI and Intel is bound to be a big hit. Vanessa Snell, TBN.